Today's reflective activity is going to be on cloud computing technologies. Cloud computing technologies is an emerging technology that uses the internet and remote servers to maintain data and applications. So basically, it's more like computing over the web in an abstract form. This concept of computing was coined by John McCarthy in the 1950s at the Michigan Institute of Technology in America. We also taught that IT infrastructure or architecture has evolved over the years, over the past decade. It first of all started with being the mainframe in the 80s, then it moved on to being the client servers in the 90s, then in the early 2000s it became web, and now is evolving towards the cloud technology. The main drivers of cloud computing include economies of scale and the pay-as-you-go utility model, whereby organizations tend to use this service on a pay-as-you-go basis. Cloud computing consists of basically three major architectures or delivery models, as so to speak. You have the infrastructure as a service, you have the software as a service. Software as a service is pretty much a general one for everyone, where we know examples include email, photo sharing, Google Dropbox, etc., instant messaging, etc. Then we have PaaS, which is the platform as a service. That includes the Google app, the Google app engine, the BitTorrent, your normal P2P file sharing website. Now, why is it important to learn about cloud computing? Because it's an emerging technology, and it's like the buzzword right now out there in technology and IT. Basically, cloud computing is like the new in thing, or like the new fashion for organizations, most especially small and medium enterprises that plan to invest in IT infrastructure but do not have the required capital to actually do that. So cloud computing provides an avenue for them to be able to own IT services, virtual IT services that can help them make their business. Another importance of cloud computing is that it helps organizations or enterprises to optimize their IT cost, in the sense that it reduces the cost of having IT people manage physical data centers and all that, and also helps to protect against against disaster, because since it's in the cloud, it's abstract, it's basically in the air, you can't feel it, so there's nothing that could actually physically affect or damage it. How I may use this knowledge? Well, from what I learned today in class about cloud computing, I feel that although I'll have to read more into it and understand the concept further, but I feel that to be advisable that organizations tend to shift towards cloud computing, even though there are some security issues, but as time goes on, these security issues will be addressed so as to make cloud computing the highly efficient and secure from malicious attacks. Thank you.